Which of the southeastern cities shaped commerce the most in Nigeria? It is a tempting question, a very powerful question, and honestly, a dangerous one too. Because the truth is, I'm really tempted to call one city, but that might sound unfair. Unfair to the others, unfair to history, unfair to reality, because commerce in the southeast was never built by one city alone. It was built by a system of cities, a network of trade routes, a culture of enterprise, a shared commercial identity. Cities in the southeast contribute to different sectors of commerce. Where one city is strong, another may be weaker. Where one dominates trade, another dominates industry. Where one leads manufacturing, another leads distribution. And that's the beauty of the southeast economy. It is diverse, it is dynamic, and interconnected. Onitsha is widely known as one of West Africa's biggest commercial trading hubs. Mass distribution, wholesale networks, import-export systems, regional markets linkages. Onitsha represents trade dominance, large-scale buying, selling and movement of goods. Aba represents production and manufacturing, shoes, clothing, leatherworks, local industries, artisan clusters. Aba is the engine of indigenous production in Nigeria, where goods are made, not just sold. Nnewi, also known for industrial entrepreneurship, auto parts manufacturing, local factories, indigenous industrialists. Nnewi represents private sector driven industrialization. Enugu. This city plays a strategic administrative and service role. Education, institutions, services, governance structures. It contributes through structure, policy influence, and coordination. Owerri. This city contributes strongly through hospitality, services, entertainment, and human movement. Tourism, events, education, service economy. Owerri supports the service and mobility economy. And there is Oka. This city plays a role in governance, education, and institutional commerce, supporting administrative and policy structures that influence business systems. Abakaliki. In Abakaliki, they contribute through agriculture, food systems, and emerging commerce, strengthening the supply side of trade. Trade alone doesn't build an economy. Production alone does not build an economy. Services alone don't build an economy. Industry alone does not build an economy. It is a connection between them that builds power. Production feeds trade, trade feeds logistics, logistics feeds transport, transport feeds services, services feed consumption, consumption feeds industry, industry feeds exports, while exports feeds growth. The Southeast economy works like a network, not a competition. The economic structure of the Southeast is already so strong, organic, and dynamic. What it lacks is not talent, not energy, not entrepreneurship, not culture, not innovation. What it lacks is strategic support, with genuine support from governments at all levels, local, state, federal. The Southeast has the potential to become the most economically powerful region in West Africa, not because of oil, not because of politics, but because of enterprise culture, human capital, commercial intelligence, and indigenous industrial spirit. Now let me ask you, Which city do you think shaped Southeast commerce the most? Is it trade power? Is it industrial production? Is it manufacturing? Is it services? Is it distribution? Is it entrepreneurship culture? Is it logistics? Is it human capital? And more importantly, should we even be ranking cities, or should we be strengthening the system that connects them? The truth is simple. No single city builds Southeast commerce. No single city owns the economic story. No single city carries the region. It is a shared legacy, a collective contribution. So, the real question is not which Southeast city shaped commerce the most. The real question is, how do we connect their strength to build the strongest economy? Because when Southeast cities work as a system, not as rivals, not as competitors, but as partners, then the region doesn't just grow, it leads.